My Mac Studio arrived, so let's unbox it and set it up. I also ordered the Mac display, but since I paid extra for the screen that moves up and down, it's gonna take an extra month. So we'll have to be patient, but for now, let's open this. Crazy that this is it. It's the computer, we got the charger, and apparently this thing is supposed to be so much faster and so much better than what I'm currently working with. So for some context, I have a MacBook Pro. I bought it refurbished a few years ago, and I thought what I was getting at the time would be enough, but with all the video and photo editing that I do, my computer just can't handle it. So I have 2 different hard drives that I work off of, but it's gotten to the point that every single video for the past, I don't know, 8 or 9 videos that I've created, I've run into exporting issues or even just the lag of trying to clip things together. My computer will get so slow that I can't even type without there being a delay. So I was really excited about the Mac Studio launching. I was watching the Apple conference and I was just waiting for them to talk about some sort of upgrade. And I knew that I wanted to do a desktop computer instead of a laptop. And I've been kind of treating my current laptop kind of like a desktop computer anyways because it's plugged into my hard drive. So that's why I bought an iPad, so I can just take my iPad on the go and just kind of work from coffee shops doing like emails or Notion stuff and just saving the video editing and all of the bigger, more intense file stuff for home. Since most of my files are in Dropbox or Notion, Google Drive, on a cloud somewhere, I don't have that much I need to move over. So I'm just gonna dive right in and sign into my accounts and figure out what might be missing later. The only other thing I'll need to figure out is Final Cut Pro and Lightroom, because those are the things that are stored on my computer and have like a library, but yeah, we'll just kind of figure it out. I hate cords so much. My new desk will absolutely have built-in cord management. That is a non-negotiable for me. Since it's a fresh computer, the first thing I like to do is just kind of remove all of the default apps and icons that are on my toolbar, remove them from my dock, and just start to set it up and make it feel familiar again. So I'm gonna change the wallpaper and just do a little bit of customization to make it feel good. It's gonna take a little bit of time to figure out what's missing, what was on this computer, what's not on this computer, but it's all so much fun. I love a clean slate. Wow, I forgot how much goes into downloading new apps onto your computer. So I think I got most of the important apps, and now I'm going to drag my favorite apps onto my toolbar. So let's do that. I feel like I have been at this all day long, which is 4 o'clock and I started around 10. So it has been mostly all day. Oh my God, the sun is coming out. Oh, let's take a break. Let's take a little coffee break and sit in the sun. If If you're curious about my OOTD, this is a really cozy set from a Korean brand called Noir 9. They're very French inspired, but everything's made in Korea. And I found out about this set after watching Love and Forecasting Weather, which is a Korean drama. I saw Park Min-young wearing this. I paused the show so fast and was like, what is she wearing? Where can I find this? And I started searching the internet for I Will Bring You Flowers. I found it, ordered it, paid a lot for shipping, but it was so worth it. It's my favorite new set ever in the history of all sweat sets. It feels tricky putting this new Mac Studio together because I don't have the monitor, and I feel like the monitor is the external validation and excitement of getting a new computer, because so far, like, I know I have a new computer, but I still have the same monitor, so it doesn't feel that exciting just yet, even though I know that as soon as I start editing videos in Final Cut Pro, I'm gonna see just how great this is. One thing I noticed right off the bat is how quiet this little guy is. I don't hear any fan, and I know that at this point with my laptop, the fan would have been going crazy with all of the apps downloading. So that feels pretty smooth. But I'll have a more well-rounded review of how I like the Mac Studio once I edit this video in Final Cut Pro. That'll be the moment of truth for me because that's been the biggest pain point. So when the monitor arrives, I'll be sure to do another unboxing of that. I have a lot of unboxings coming your way actually. So now I have my OG Clouds as my desktop. You've probably seen it before. It just makes me feel really calm, and maybe at some point I'll change the background, but for now I really love it still. Now I'm going to change just a couple settings on my dock. So I'm going to position it on the left. I prefer my dock on the left because when I'm using Final Cut Pro and it's at the bottom, my mouse keeps toggling it up and down, and it gets in the way. So over to the left is my preferred place. And then I also like to turn the magnification on because it's pretty, but also because it's easier to kind of see what I'm reaching for. And then at some point I'm gonna update my icons because I see a lot of the icon customization on YouTube, and I definitely would love to make some of my own so it can match my brand colors and aesthetics. I really love customizing things on my Mac, so at some point I'll go and design some of those. If you are looking for some pretty icons, I know my friend Macy Lee has gorgeous icons. I love all her pastel tones, so definitely check her channel out. She's not truly my computer until it has a really beautiful, fun screensaver. I really love this anime desktop screensaver from Gridfeedy, and so I'm going to airdrop it from my old computer to my new computer. Here it is. So beautiful. I love the screensaver. I think it's really fun, and it goes well with my art. I also like to customize my hot corners, so I'm gonna make the bottom right corner go to my screensaver, so then I can just pop over here and enable my screensaver. I'm gonna make the right hot corner go to my notification center, so I can see just kind of what's going on. Well friends, that is pretty much it for my Mac Studio unboxing. I'm looking forward to when I can show you the actual monitor and dive a little bit deeper. If you've got any questions about the Mac Studio, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!